Welcome to the weather broadcast for today, Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, from our studios in Jimit. I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. As we take a look at what's going on in the Atlantic Ocean, here we can see the axis of a tropical wave located a few hundred miles to the east of the Lesser Antilles and moving westwards, expected to approach the area by late Tuesday into Wednesday. And out here in the far eastern Atlantic, seeing another tropical wave with an associated area of low pressure, which has a low chance of development, that is 20% chance of development within the next 2 days. Now, taking a look at the projection for the next 7 days, this area of low pressure here has a high chance of development within the next 7 days as it continues to move over the open waters of the Atlantic Ocean and expected to remain over the open waters of the Atlantic Ocean. Now, taking a look at earlier satellite imagery, you can see a relatively dry atmosphere across the area of Dominica today. However, we can see some convection associated with that tropical wave, which is expected to approach the area by late Tuesday into Wednesday. And here we can see convection associated with that trough, and out here, convection associated with that area of low pressure, which has a high chance of development within the next 7 days. However, it's expected to remain over the open waters of the Atlantic Ocean. Taking a closer look, again we can see a relatively dry atmosphere across Dominica today with some blobs of thunderstorms just to the north of Guadeloupe and to the extreme south of the Lesser Antilles. And also here we can see just moving into the frame, convection associated with that tropical wave expected to approach the area by late Tuesday into Wednesday. Now, taking a look at the moisture associated, here we can see the moisture associated with that tropical wave as it continues moving westerly towards the Lesser Antilles, expected here by late Tuesday into Wednesday. Out here we can see some moisture associated with that trough, which we saw earlier. And out here in the far eastern Atlantic, convection associated with that area of low pressure, which has a high chance of developing within the next 7 days. Now, taking a look at the Saharan dust, limited Saharan dust can be seen in the region of the Lesser Antilles, where we can see some Saharan dust interacting with that tropical wave as well as that trough system, with some dense Saharan dust in the region of that area of low pressure is expected to develop within the next 7 days. Now, taking a look at earlier radar imagery, some scattered showers can be seen mainly across the southern portion of the island chain, with a relatively dry atmosphere being observed across Dominica so far. However, we can expect to see an increase in shower activity, which is localized shower activity and possible thunderstorms due to the surface heating and light winds. Now, tonight's weather is expected to be fair to occasionally cloudy with some scattered showers and a chance of isolated thunderstorms. Similar conditions can be expected into tomorrow, with conditions starting off fair to partly cloudy, becoming increasingly cloudy with scattered showers and the possibility of isolated thunderstorms. Sea conditions are expected to be slight to moderate, with waves picking up to 1.5 meters or up to 5 feet. High tide tomorrow will be at 9:41 a.m. and 8:23 p.m. and low tide will be at 3 a.m. and 1:34 p.m. Again tomorrow, fair to occasionally cloudy skies with a few scattered showers and a slight chance of isolated thunderstorms can be expected. However, as we move into Wednesday, we expect to see an increasing cloudiness with scattered showers and a chance of isolated thunderstorms due to the approach of that tropical wave. And then as we move into Thursday again, fair to occasionally cloudy skies with a few scattered showers and a slight chance of isolated thunderstorms. We must be on the alert for those high temperatures reaching up to 35 degrees Celsius during the next few days. Therefore, we are advising residents to remain cool and hydrated due to the high temperatures expected. Light winds can be expected throughout the next 3 days. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:54 a.m. and sunset will be at 6 p.m. Please remember that we are still in the hurricane season. Stay informed and be prepared. See you again on Wednesday for another weather broadcast. Take care.